All right, Eric Solomon here from Rebuild Fitness and Physiotherapy, talking about the McGill Method. So what is it? It was created by world famous spine expert, Dr. Stu McGill. He created this approach over the course of his research and clinical practice at the University of Waterloo. He used it to assess and treat low back pain. As his career and popularity began to grow, patients and clinicians began to ask for, Stu, how do we do this stuff? And from that demand, he created a series of courses with the McGill Method, multiple textbooks, and also an amazing resource, the Back Mechanic. That's for kind of regular everyday people who want to learn more about their back pain, which I would also highly recommend. Clinicians who want to pursue this can become a McGill certified provider, which I am. You have to complete all of the courses, pass an exam and a practical test to get that designation.